Good morning, everyone. This is Rokalapaina Vedavyas from Aeronautical Engineering D section. Today, my topic is carrier wave in communication system. Actually, what is communication system? The communication system is a system which describes the information exchange between two points. The process of transmission and reception of information is called communication. The major elements of communication are the transmitter of information, channel or medium of communication. What are types of contents? Normally, types of communication, examples of communication. What are the types of communication systems? There are, depending on signal specification or technology, the communication system is classified as follows. Analog. Analog technology communicates data as electronic signals of varying frequency or amplitudes, broadcast and telephone transmission are common examples of analog technology. Digital. In digital technology, the data are generated and processed in two states, high represented as one and low represented as zero. And after analog and digital. Depending on the communication channel, the communication system is characterized as follows. Wide line communication, parallel communication, twisted pair communication, and after that wireless, which is space communication, ground wave communication, skywave communication. Examples of communication systems. The following are a few examples of communication. Internet, public switch telephone network, intranet and extranet television. These are examples of communication system. What are the elements of communication systems? Information, signal, transducer, amplifier, modulator, and transmitter. Antenna, channel, noise, and these are the main components which is used in communication systems. And after getting into brief explanation, the block diagram of communication system. Here, once we look into normal picture, the communication only possible by bouncing the signal through the repeater. If the repeater sends the information through and fro to these two houses and no signal, it is passed directly. If there is an obstacle between the repeater and house, then there is no signal through this house. The signal cut will be happened at that time. Then so the repeater is placed at the high level where the signal cut and signal transmission is done perfectly. And Merab, when we see into block diagram of communication system, here transmitter, here the transmitter has information source, in input transducer, amplifier, modulator, antenna, channel, noise. After that, receiver has receiving antenna, demodulator or detector, amplifier, and output transducer. And after getting what is communication system, we'll be getting into carrier wave. What is carrier wave? What is carrier wave? The frequency spectrum of a typical radio. In telecommunications, carrier signals or just carrier is a waveform, usually sinusoidal, that is modulated with an information bearing signal for the purpose of conveying information. This carrier waves usually has a much higher frequency than the input signal does. The purpose of the carrier is usually either to transmit the uh, is the purpose electromagnetic or to allow several carriers at that. In music production, carrier signals can be controlled by a modulated signal to change the sound property, add a sense of depth and movement. And after getting into what is carrier waves and carrier how it is made, we'll be getting into the frequency spectrum of technical wave. Ca- Carrierless modulation systems. The information in a modulated radio signal is contained in the sidebands while the power in carrier frequency is called carrier leakage. Carrier leakage is interface caused by crosstalk or a DC offset. It is present as a unmodulated sine wave within the signal's bandwidth. Double sideband super suppressed carrier modulation. The wave C of T is completely independent of the firm carrier signal or baseband signal. When we to describe a DSP modulated wave as a function of time, we write 4 of ST is equal to CT MT AC cos 2 pi FCT MT, which gives the total function of a temp of DSBC modulated wave. Thank you.